Hi guys, it's Jaya from Hubby, and this Sunday it's time for a
Baby special.
Precisely. And this is why I invited Erika to come here with me in the studio this Sunday, so that we can talk about all these baby patterns and baby yarns. Because one, she is an expert on them. Two, she is pregnant for the second time, right?
Yeah.
And three, I think
I have some tips and tricks.
I think she has some really awesome tips and tricks. So she's gonna be, showing us her secrets. But most of all, speaking of secrets, I also have a secret to reveal, which is the new unicorn solid. That's correct. The unicorn solid is gonna be out soon, but I want you guys to have a sneak peek at it first. Yeah, so join us this Sunday, the 21st of March at 1 p.m. Eastern Time for an hour of fun and inspiration.
We are looking forward.
See you then.